Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the text size or the font size for your text messaging app on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first, let's tap on the home key to take you back to your home screen and swipe down at the top. Next, tap on the settings icon and then go down and tap on display. In display, you want to go down and tap on font size and style. Next, down here you can drag on the slider bar to increase or decrease the size. Now you can see here when you drag the font size all the way to the right, the text increases, and if you drag it to the left, the text size decreases. So let's say we want to increase the size so that we can easily read it. So now if you go back to your text messaging app, you can see the size is now a lot bigger. Now the only thing is when you are changing the font size, it also affects other settings as well, such as the size, the font size on your menu as well. So you can see here the font is quite large and big, and so it affects system-wide changes, not just specific to your text messaging app. Now in the past, you can simply just change the size by pinching in and out, and because now Samsung use the default Android messaging app instead of their own custom messaging app, you no longer can change increase or decrease by using the pinching action anymore. So if it's too big, or if you find that the font on your system's menu is too big, you can always go back in here and try to decrease it a little bit. So you want to just to get at the right balance and something that is easier for your eye to read. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.